I'm here today with the XREAL 1S and I'm very eager to test this out. I've tried XREAL products before and they just keep getting better. So let's pull these tabs off here and let's see what we get. So nice hard case. And here are the glasses. Very nice. And they're not that thin, but not that thick either. Nice and light. Let's pull these off. Okay, cool. And then you have the cable right here. So nice. And you have one little slanted side here. And the other side is a nut because you can put this on here and then you have this like this little hook behind your ears, right? So that's pretty cool. And then this can go in any USB device that supports video over USB out. So like your phones, be sure to check your phone if it has that function. The Samsungs all do, and I think the new Google Pixels as well. Not 100% sure, more of a Samsung man here, but you can plug that in and then start using this right away. And then also let's get these tabs of the glasses right here. So as you can see, you have your glasses and then right through there, this is where the video is outputted. So nice and large. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so a couple of nose bridges as well, so you can change those up. These mediums that are on there, and then you have S and L as well, but these fit my nose quite perfectly. But you can get it like a little higher or a little lower depending on your needs. So that's nice as well. And a couple of manuals here and then a little cleaning cloth. So very nice. So let's try this out. I'm very eager to see what this looks like. I love the XREAL brand because they have this 3DOF, and I think that's the greatest feature that they have. 3DOF, which means 3 degrees of freedom, and with that you can anchor your screen, so you can just have your screen there. Even when you look to the side, you always have that there, and I'll show you in a minute why that's so important. So let's here add this. And then the cool thing about the Samsung is you have Samsung DeX as well. So let me start a screen recording here so you can see what I'm seeing, and I'll move a little bit over to the side so I can like project that screen there in editing so you can see a little bit of what I'm seeing here. Now the cool thing here is I can anchor this. So right now it's in anchor mode, which means it's static. When I move my head, when I look away, the screen is still there. I don't see it right now, but it's there. And when I click this little button here, I think it's the front one. Yes, so now I'm in follow mode. So now when I look around, the screen follows me around, right? So that's pretty cool as well. And now I have it back in anchor mode, so I can look at that. Now, why that's so important is, especially if you're doing like large files, that sort of thing, you really need to anchor that screen because you can't look at the uppermost. It's a little bit easier, but the bottommost sides, you can't really see that. So if I don't have it in anchor mode, and the screen is following me around, it's really hard to look at like the date, time and date there in the bottom right corner and other corners as well. And then for if you're doing like work with large spreadsheets, that sort of thing, it's really hard to like move your eyes to look at the sides of the spreadsheets instead of like moving your head like you would when looking at a monitor, right? So I think it's essential to do productivity work on these XR or AR glasses to have that anchor mode. And XREAL, they all have that. I've tried the XREAL ones and the previous models already did have that as well, and the XREAL 1S has that too, so that's pretty cool. So I'm hoping that you can see like a lot of what I'm doing with the screen here. It isn't exactly like what I see, but it's still very cool, right? Then you can click on here and use that as a menu. And now I can change the volume. I can change the brightness as well. So I can have it a little bit brighter or not. And I can change the opacity of the glasses. Now, when I'm looking, right now it's on the darkest level, and I can still see a little bit through my screen, right? Especially I have like a studio light over there, and I can see through my screen. I can still see that light, so it's not 100% black. With previous models of XREAL, you got like these completely dark patches that you can put over it, like sunglasses on top of it, and then it would be completely dark, but these don't come with it. I think you can purchase them separately if you need to. But when I look at like these bars here to the right, I only see my screen, so nothing at the back of that. So only when you have like a bright studio light or something like that, or if you have a window with the sun coming through it, I think you'll see that as well. So it will be a little bit more difficult to look at that. So that's something to consider as well, which way you look if you're using the darkest mode. And then I can also change that up to, let's see, yeah, so a little bit lighter. Now I can see the beams coming through the image, and then the lightest, and now it's pretty difficult to even read what I'm seeing here, so I don't think I'll be using this mode much, but it's still really, really cool. So nice. Now another cool thing with this new 1S is when I look away, when I have anchor mode and I look away, the glasses become completely light, so that darkness is completely gone. And then when I look back at the anchor, then it becomes dark again and I can see the screen. So I think this is really cool if you're gaming and you have family in the room. When you look away, you can easily talk to them. It's only like a little bit of sunglasses in front of me, like a little bit darker, but I can easily talk to them. And then when I look at my screen again, everything becomes dark again. So I think that's very nice as well here from these 1S glasses. So another step up from the previous XREAL model, so really, really cool. Now another cool thing is when I push the button for a little bit longer, I can change the anchor. So right now I have the anchor right here. And now I can't see the screen. Now I can move the anchor over here and like reposition that, so I always have it in front of me when I'm sitting. So I think that's a really nice feature as well. And I think the screen is large enough here to even have a couple of windows next to each other, especially cool for productivity as well. And the cool thing with Samsung DeX here is I immediately have like this desktop mode in there. Android has got it built in as well, but I really love Samsung DeX, and I can use my phone as a little bit of a touchscreen here to move around. So I think that's a very nice way of implementing or using these glasses as well. I have tried these glasses, not these, but the previous XREAL models, to use them while I was on vacation and only my phone to work. And as long as you're doing everything online, that's totally fine. And I brought a little keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, a little Bluetooth mouse, and I could just do everything that I needed to do. So I think that is a very nice way of using these glasses. Now these are a little bit more budget friendly, right? So the display is quite good. It's 1200p, so micro OLED panels, and I think that's very nice. Right now there are a couple of brands out there that offer a lot more clarity here. It does offer edge-to-edge clarity, an improved one, so I can really read all of the text on my glasses here. There's not any blurriness on the sides or anything, so I think that's really cool. And it has a real-time 3D conversion, so it's still in beta, but you can have standard 2D content from Netflix or YouTube or in games and convert that into 3D depth simulated experience. So I think that's a really cool way of using these glasses as well. It's still in beta mode though, so don't expect too much of it. They're also very comfortable. They're only 82 grams, so I think that's quite nice. Not too heavy, still a little bit bulky, so they're not real sunglasses type of feel here, especially with the cable, of course, you're tethered to your head. So I think that is something to consider, but they still look like, well, really normal glasses, I think, and they're on par with the XREAL ones. And I've used those in cafes, and people look at you a little bit weird on what you're doing, especially older people. But you can definitely work in cafes with something like this, so, or game in cafes, game in plane, that sort of thing. So a very nice way, as long as the device that you're using has a video over USB-C, then you can start using these right away, plug and play, like game consoles, like the Steam Deck, or with your phone, or even you can you plug this into your laptop and then you have an additional screen. So I think that is a very nice way to use these. Now another drawback compared to more expensive pro level glasses is the field of view. So these have a 52-degree field of view, so it's a little bit lower than a lot of other products. And if you use them for over an hour, they can get quite hot. So for longer gaming sessions or longer work sessions, I think that's the same as with the XREAL ones. I didn't have that in winter here in the Netherlands because it's quite cold, but in warmer environments or when the sun is directly hitting your face, working with these or gaming with these for more than an hour is not a good idea. So overall, they're really cool. While they might be lacking a bit for gaming and think you can do better, they are quite budget friendly, and with that 3 degrees of freedom, I think that is essential for your productivity. So if you're going to use these for your phone or your laptop and working on these, I think XREAL is the brand to go. For gaming, there might be some other options that are better, and I'll review those as well and I'll let you know. So I hope this video has helped you make a choice.